Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Pointwise Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we will show you how to use the new Show Surface Curvature button, available in Automatic Surface Mesh. This feature not only highlights potential curvature hotspots in your geometry, but it also helps you to determine appropriate values for setting the minimum radius of curvature attributes that were introduced in the Fidelity Pointwise 2022.2 base release. Let's jump right into Fidelity Pointwise. Here we have the same CRM geometry that I used to show the ASM updates for the 2022.2 base release. If you recall, we used the new minimum radius of curvature attributes to limit over-refinement in two key areas, the wingtip and the fairing. Let's go into ASM and take a look at the curvature in these two regions. Just as with the Show Size Fill command, the surface is now colored by the radius of curvature, but in this case it uses the viridis color bar, with purple representing the larger radii, or more planar regions, and yellow representing the smaller radii, or the regions with highest curvature. Let's look at the wingtip. The upper and lower wingtip surfaces are shown to have high curvature, which we expect. However, if we zoom in close to the tip of the trailing edge, we can see that the otherwise planar surface has some very high curvature. This was driving the over-refinement on these surfaces. Now let's look at the fairing. We can see that there is some variation near this boundary edge, and this is what was causing the over-refinement in this region. We had set the minimum radius of curvature parameter to 10% of the fuselage radius, which at the time I had determined using the measurement tool. But now all we need to do is hover over the fuselage, and the color bar indicates that the radius is around 120 units. Also, notice that the cursor is surrounded by a circle of the same radius, which makes it easier to visualize as you hover over the surface. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop us a line below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.